guys, welcome to another day, another video. We are at Windcreek, Wetumpka with Nana. We're playing Coin Bonanza. Which version is this? Does it have a name? There it is, God of Gold, God of Gold. Playing God of Gold Coin Bonanza. Let's see what we can do over here, guys. We've got $20 in the machine, 75-cent bets. Let's see if he will give us some magic today. Hopefully some of the puppy magic too. Give us that puppy dog. Well, my spin won us double our bet. Let's see what Nana's does. And that was 3 nuns in a row. You're done, Nana. You're done.
I'm fired again.
She's fired again. No. So the coins have to touch from left to right in order to pay. Oh. Now, so if we would have had one right here, or here, or here, or here, we would have gotten the free spins. Alright, come on guys, give us some magic. Alright, you can go, Nana, you can go. Do better.
Are you sure?
Do better, Nana.
Are you sure?
There we go. Alright, now let the puppy dog come and give us a free spin bonus.
Puppy dog fun.
Oh, the golf is never great. Okay. Yeah, you get everything that touches there. 350, yeah. That's why you want him to throw more than that. The golf one never gives you great stuff usually, but the puppy dog one usually gives you something good. All right, Nana, don't slack off now. Or 3 bonus symbols would be nice. Oh, there's a little bit. 20, 50 cents. Sometimes that's the best we can hope for from you. It's a $20 one we missed. Alright, my turn, Nana. Alright, oh, almost touched.
Almost don't count if they don't
I know. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Nope. This is change. We're down to half of our money. 2 bonus symbols. Come on, where's all that magic? Come on, give us some magic. Alright, go for it, Nana. There's the magic. Every time. Nothing that touches yet. Come on. Oh, we got this one. 625. No, they don't have one that touches next to them.
They're not laying on top of each other. Okay. Let's do that again. Let's get the bonus.
Alright, well, let me take over so that when you have another turn, you can get magic again.
You'll probably get it already. The dog isn't coming.
Well, he doesn't come that often. He does, sometimes. Come on. Magic or land it on its own. A little bit.
Or go up that way, as long as they're touching. Or
they gotta touch. The next reel has to touch them. Alright, take back over, Nana. Oh, see, those touch, so from left to right. Doesn't have to be 4. It has to touch from left to right. Oh, Calgon, take me away. Alright, $5 left. Come on, puppy doggy. Or 3 bonus symbols. Oh, if that was a coin, we would have gotten those at least.
Okay, it's not liking me now.
One last spin. Oh. Alright, that's it, guys. We're not going to put more in. This was God of Gold, Coin Bonanza. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button and check out the next video. Guys, welcome to another day, another video. We are at Windcreek, Wetumpka. We're playing Huff and More Puff. It has been okay to us today. We got $50 and some change in the machine because I didn't have any 20s. So we're going to be doing 75-cent bets. Try not to lose more than 20 of that. Hopefully we can double it. And oh, sorry, I didn't realize it went. Let's see if we can get this mansion feature, or at least 6 hats. Alright guys, make sure if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up for us. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos. Post a new video every single day, and we live stream almost every single day as well. So lots of stuff to keep you occupied throughout your day. And we got Nana with us, if I didn't say that already. She's on the wrong side of me though, so it's hard for her to press the button. So I'm doing it right now. Bassa, bassa, ah. Come on, bonus. Alright, see if you can do it, Nana. Maybe if you press that. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's $1.50. We need about 800 times that, but we'll take it.
Well, let's get Buzzsaw the hats. Come on.
Oh, 3 more. Alright, we're 10 down already.
We're going back to this one.
Passa. Ah, I thought you had it. 3 more, 3 more. Alright. I'm taking back over, guys. Making sure this thing doesn't switch. We'll mix it up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Got 50 cents back. Come on, bonus. Don't let me down now. Bassa, bassa, bassa. Oh, 5 of them. Alright, take back over, Nana. Oh, 5 again. Man. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Oh, thought we had that one. It's just teasing us, guys. What's up? Nope. Alright, I'm taking back over, Nana. Alright. Did not seem to like us. We're gonna stop at 20. That's $30 it took in a matter of seconds, guys. We're gonna see if with this last 20, if we can do a little bit better somewhere else. Unless we get a bonus. No, one last shot. Oh, no bonus. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This was Huff and More Puff, Windcreek, Wetumpka. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Nope, no. We're gonna keep playing. We're gonna keep playing, guys. We are owed a bonus, and we are not leaving till we get a bonus. Man, it's just wasting my 20.
Card changes on his own.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, my turn, Nana. Let's mix it up once. Oh, almost had the buzzsaws. Come on, give us these buzzsaws so we can get this wheel up here. Anything, anything. Any bonus. Yeah, a whole screen of something would be nice. And Nana knows we're about to leave, and then she decides that she has to light up another cigarette. Come on, 4 more. Alright, $3 left. It's now or never. $50 gone like that. That one hurt, guys. Alright, give us a bonus right here. Ah, nope, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.